Unlocking the basics. Understanding safety lock. Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into the English language and unlocking the meaning behind the phrase, safety lock. Whether you're a beginner or looking to polish your English skills, this video will ensure you get a firm grasp on how and when to use this term effectively. A safety lock is a device or mechanism designed to prevent accidental operation or handling. Think of it like a guard, a protective feature that ensures something is safe and secure. It's commonly found on items like guns, doors, and equipment, where unintended use could lead to harm or danger. Safety locks come in various forms. Some are physical, like a child-proof cap on medicine bottles, while others are digital, such as passwords on electronic devices. Their complexity can range from a simple latch to sophisticated systems requiring codes or keys. The key takeaway? They're all about protection and prevention. Let's put our knowledge into practice. Saying, "The gun has a safety lock," indicates there's a feature to prevent it from firing accidentally. Or, "I installed a safety lock on my phone," implies you've set up a security measure to restrict access. Remember, the phrase can be both literal and figurative. Safety locks are not just physical objects but embody an important concept of caution and care in everyday life. They remind us to be mindful of potential dangers and to take proactive steps in safeguarding what's valuable, be it objects, information, or our well-being. Thank you for joining us. We hope this explanation locks in your understanding of safety lock and how you can use it confidently in your English conversations. Stay safe, and we'll see you in our next video.